Hello and welcome to the first session of digital marketing. Here I'll be discussing about the basics of digital marketing. As you all know, digital marketing is the most sought after course nowadays. If you learn this course seriously, definitely you are going to build a lucrative career for yourself. Throughout this session, I'll be discussing various topics related to digital marketing. First of all, I'll talk about the origin of digital marketing, and then we'll also talk about the origin of internet as well as the websites. I will also discuss a study on digital marketing, and that is related to political marketing, campaign of Barack Obama and 2014 campaign of India's Lok Sabha election. And finally, towards the end of this session, I will explain you what is the digital marketing all about. The objective of this session are a student will be able to know the basics about the digital marketing. They will also know about the digital marketing opportunities, and they can also explain the concept of digital marketing. Earlier, roti, kapra, and makan used to be our necessities. Now we have new necessities: air, water, and internet. If you are not present online, you cannot build a successful brand. Customer cannot find you. So it is necessary to go online. If you go online, you can connect easily with your target audience. You can acquire new customer. Customer can also recommend your product and services to other. You can be available to your customer 24 by 7 into 365, means all the time throughout the years. You can also update the required information on your website easily, and you can easily connect with your target audience. Whatever feedback, rating, and product ideas you need from your target audience, you will get them very easily. So these are the reasons we need to be present online. So, my dear friend, how does the web affect your business? The web is dramatically changing the consumer behavior and changing how your business connects with your potential customer. Customer can find you now very easily. They can connect with you. They also support you sometime. They do business with you online. This is not a trend, it is new way of doing business. Whether you are a barber, a plumber, restaurant owner, jeweler, massage therapist, bakery owner, medical practitioner, or an NGO, you need a website. 85% customers are searching for local business online. Large number of businesses have no presence online. 63% small businesses are without a website. They may be present on trade directories like Sulekha, Just Dial, IndiaMart, etc. Around 25% small businesses do not show on search result page. Now let's talk about origin of digital marketing. The origin of digital marketing can be traced back to 1994. The first banner ad appeared on the web magazine called Hotwired. Now it is known as Wired.com. Around 1997, companies began thinking about placing advertising on related websites and linking their web page to the banner ads. Yahoo was founded in 1995. It acquired Overture's services in 2003 for placing ads on its search engine results. Google launched its advertising platform in 2000. LinkedIn was launched in 2002, Facebook was launched in 2004, and Twitter in 2006. WhatsApp was introduced in 2009 and Instagram in 2010. In 1990s, display advertising began. Early 2000 witnessed search advertising and social media advertising. Internet penetration is increasing and the prices of smartphones are also decreasing. More and more people are now being connected to internet. Now consumers are spending more and more time online and marketers are shifting their budget to digital marketing communications. As per one estimate, in India, around 700 million people are connected to internet. In China, 884 million people are connected. In US, 284 million people are connected. And in Brazil, 137 million people are connected to internet. Now you can see more and more people are going online. And when more and more people are going online, the business opportunities will ultimately grow. As per one information, the media consumptions of people are also changing. Now around 12% people are watching television online. Around 10% people are listening to the radio online. Around 28% people are using social network site to connect with the people. 13% people are using micro blogging site to express themselves and to connect with their business partners. So you can see how the media habits of the people are changing. Friends, now let's talk about the origin of the website and the internet. The internet started in 1969 as the ARPANET, a network for academic and military use. Web pages and browser appeared during 1991 and 93. First website info.sun.ch went live in 1991. World first website was created by British computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee in 1990 while he was a researcher at the European Organization for Nuclear Research. The website still exists today. Over 1 billion people around the world are regularly using the web to find products, entertainment, and their life partners. The first generation of e-business was like a gold rush. Many businesses collapsed, but later on they learned from their own mistakes. And now you see millions of e-commerce sites are available around the world and they are doing the business successfully. In India, Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, and other companies are not just concentrating in capital cities, metro cities. They are also going to the category B and C cities in India. Means they are penetrating inside the rural India because Rural India has got immense potentials. They have got the buying power. Now, consumers decide which brand they wish to interact. Messages cannot be controlled by marketeers. Consumer can give you instant feedback. You can get immediate reactions of consumers. Nowadays, consumers are co-creating brand as well as the content. So, organization need marketers, strategists like you to apply digital media judiciously. Now, let's talk about the Barack Obama campaign of 2008. President Obama made history by his use of digital marketing to win the election. Obama's internet strategies targeted 18 to 29 years old voter because 93% of them were always online. His 2012 efforts added higher level of sophistications, including the use of social media and mobile marketing. Facebook displayed over 33 million likes. The Obama YouTube channel had over 286,000 subscribers and 288 million upload views. Now let's talk about the Indian campaign, the Indian political campaigns which changed the face of India. In India, Mr. Modi started his campaign in January 2013. He was able to build his image and huge fan base across the country due to that campaign. He used social media extensively, did accurate positioning and positive content feeding in place of the negative campaigns, put all the ground activities online immediately. Some of the campaigns were अब की बार मोदी सरकार, जनता माफ नहीं करेगी, अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं, चाय पे चर्चा and हर हर मोदी घर घर मोदी. His campaign was not only dependent on posters, cardboard, graffitis, cutouts, and banners, but he used integrated marketing communications extensively. 2019 campaigns were साफ नीयत सही विकास, मैं भी चौकीदार, and मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, and you know the results. He won both the elections of 2014 as well as 2019. Finally, I am going to explain you what is the digital marketing all about. Please do not confuse when somebody call it e-marketing, digital marketing, internet marketing, or online marketing. So now concentrate on the definition of digital marketing. So digital marketing is the management process responsible for identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer requirement profitably through digital media. Cisco system has also defined digital marketing as digital marketing is the sum of all activities a business conducts through the internet with the purpose of finding, attracting, winning, and retaining customers. Now, one more definition I have that has been given by Philip Kotler. Digital marketing is a form of direct marketing which links consumer with sellers electronically using interactive technologies like email, website, online forums, and news groups, interactive television, mobile communication, etc. As a layman, you can also define digital marketing as achieving marketing objective profitably by applying digital technologies. Some of the digital marketing tools are websites, search engine, blogs, email, instant messaging, voice telephony, mobile marketing, etc. With this, I end this session here. Thank you very much.